So what to do when you enter a trade? You just entered a trade. You're looking at your MT4. You're looking around your room. You might be outside. You might be on vacation. You might be at school. You might be at work. And you're like, what the hell do I do now? I would say this. It all depends what type of move you're making, intraday, swing trade, position trade. I would say in an intraday, if you just enter, realize this. Where is your projection and how many candles potentially is it going to take to get there? Don't think one candle, one 5 minute candle is going to get you to a 40 pip projection, 50 pip projection, even 20 pip projection. Based on that intraday move, maybe use the mapping. There's a tool that you can map out previous patterns and then place them where you are. Just get an idea of how many candles it can take to get there. If it's the 1 hour chart that you're basing your analysis on, it's an intraday move. Potentially 4 candles might need to get there, 4 hours. So think of that in terms of your day. What can you do in that 4 hours while you do wait for it to get to your analysis? If it's a swing trade, think of it in terms of 4 hour candles. How many 4 hour candles are you going to need to get to that next projection? And think about what you can do during that time to be productive so that you're not just sitting there and watching the chart, because everyone knows that if you just sit there and watch the chart, that you're gonna most likely exit the trade. You might even switch up your bias and take, say you short, go long. So what to do when you enter a trade? Just keep in mind how much time is actually going to be needed to get to that projection level and plan accordingly.